walk through reporting messages. Here we specifically look at the new ISO20022 messages defined by the CBPR Plus group for the interbank space. As you probably know, in the corporate to bank space, so communication between corporates and banks, some ISO20022 reporting messages are being used already. So to harmonize it and make it easier for the global players, CBPR Plus just took the standard from the corporate to bank space and developed its messages from the interbank space based on it. And what are those reporting messages good for? For example, to inform you about any action on your account. Let's say when you receive some money, meaning a credit is booked, or to inform you about how much money is still there on your account in an end of day statement. There are plenty of messages for each use case. Let's look at them together. Simplified, you can say there are more or less two categories of reporting messages: account-centric messages and the transaction-centric ones. Let's start with the first category, account-centric messages, and assume you're holding an account with another institution. So the account belongs to you, you are the account owner, and the other institution is taking care of it. So they are account servicer. In relation to your account, you can receive messages from this institution that show you information about balance or entries on your account from this day. It is called end of day statement. And in MT world, you know MT940 and 950 messages are used for this case, but what about ISO20022? Well, first thing you need to know is that ISO20022 reporting messages are all packed in the CAMT business domain. So they all start with CAMT, which stands for cash management. And in this specific case, a CAMT 53 is used. Then, next to the end of day option, naturally, there are also intraday reports to show you information about the situation with your account at a specific point in time. And in ISO20022, we use a CAMT 52 for this purpose. And the last block in this category is the option to actively request reporting. So for example, to actively ask to send you any of those messages that we just discussed, like CAMT 52, for example. You see what's specific in this case is that you, as account owner, send a message to your account servicer. So basically, it works another way around. And for this purpose, you would send a CAMT 60 to the institution that holds an account for you. And with that, we're done with account-centric messages and can move on to the transaction-centric ones. Let's start with debit-credit confirmation. In MT, we have two messages which indicate whether you received a credit transaction, so you got some money, it is an MT910 message, or whether it was a debit transaction, MT900. In ISO20022, there is a single message, CAMT 54, that is used for this purpose. And in order to differentiate whether it was a debit or credit, you simply use a credit-debit indicator. Now we have talked about showing past transactions, but next to it, there is also an option to inform you about the future ones. For this scenario, we use notification to receive messages, and they are there to inform you of what is coming your way. In ISO20022, it is a CAMT 57 message. And to make the picture complete, there is also a message used to cancel such notification, CAMT 58. And it's important to know that the specific message is not planned to be introduced before November 2023, while all the other reporting messages are planned to be introduced in November 2022. So there you go, this is the landscape of reporting messages. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.